What? Oh, it's you again. Hi, welcome to the channel. I hope you're liking this series. You're learning something. So in last video, we finished our Highpoly, and this is the time we start our Lowpoly. So I'll see you there.
Hey there people, how you all doing? This is gonna be a little short video because it doesn't take much to create low poly for this one. So that's a suggestion for you as well. If you are creating such a still object which is not moving or which is not organic, it's gonna be fairly easy to animate, or it's gonna be still just lying down here and there. So you can do one thing, you can create the high poly in such a way so that you can use the same details in low poly by just removing couple of supporting edges as well as just few details here and there, so that you save your time as well as your production time. It's just ideal to create props that way. And yeah, that's one of the advice that I wanted to give. And in this one I'm just removing all those supporting edges and removing the unnecessary details, all the in what do you say, extrusion inside, intrusions, yeah, that's the word. So I'm removing all those, trying to compare with the high poly if it's not deviating a lot from there. And I will keep the name same for low poly as well as high poly. I'll be posting the full baking video soon. In that you will learn how to bake correctly with the correct name. For high poly it should end with high, and for low poly it should end with low, so that we can bake perfectly in Painter. That's mainly the basic baking pipeline for that. Right now I'm removing all the extra edges that I don't need. I'll try to simplify the model a little bit. You should do so. And I hope you guys are practicing as well, not just watching the video and going and playing some other game or doing some other activities. You should practice, because 3D always based on your practices. If you don't practice enough, you will forget all the technicalities, all those tools, and you won't know what will happen. You hold right click in Maya or shift right click in Maya. That was just an example, but you should keep on practicing. At least give 1 hour or maybe half an hour of your day to create something simple, some cardboard box, some wood crate, or something drum in the beginning. As you get a hang on of Maya, you can just create some prop like this grenade, or some complex props like lamps, such etc., guns. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.